Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be redoing my sister's master bedroom closet. We are taking out some old wire shelving that was horrible and did not work, installing this beautiful wooden rod, a shelf, and making everything spick and span. So keep watching if you want to see how we go from this before to the beautiful after. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are in yet another closet. I think I just need to change my channel name to Courtney's Closets. I don't even know how many closets we've done now. Feels like there's at least one every other week at this point, but it's just the place where I feel like, we can be tidy in the home, and then this is just where we're like, quick, shove it in and let's get this done. We are back at my sister's house today. That's why we have great lighting. I actually brought lights because I was like, oh, it's a closet, it's gonna be dark. Guys, this is like studio lighting in here. It's beautiful. But anyways, if you didn't know, I already did a few of my sister's spaces. I feel like I need to have like a sister cleaning series or something like that, but we did her closets, we did her garage, we did a spring cleaning, and now here we are in her master closet. So this is actually in her bathroom, so if I'm a bit echoey, that's why. She's got a closet, she's got one of those ones that goes all the way down, and she unfortunately has this metal rack where this just drives me crazy. I can't even imagine not being able to just like shove my shirts. Do you know what I mean? We are gonna eliminate this problem today. We have a shelf that we're gonna hang up, we have a wooden rod so that way she can easily glide them back and forth. And then we're obviously just gonna do some decluttering, organization, going through the clothes, and just making it work a lot better for her. So this is a quick, easy afternoon weekend project, hopefully is what I'm hoping for, that you guys can do yourselves. And I hope this gives you the motivation to do it. So without further ado, you guys know we take everything out of the closet, clean slate, and we're gonna start from there. So let's get at it. Oh my god.
That's all for 1 week.
Job done. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's show them. Oh, you can't get rid of that. You can sit with your daughter.
I know.
Look how pretty her wedding dress. She was so beautiful.
Courtney was the only one there when I picked it up.
It's true. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
It is. If I have a daughter one day and they can cut it up, I don't care.
Oh my gosh, I never thought we would have a daughter.
Bought it just for that.
Okay, this is your 4th jean jacket.
They were all Christie's.
But you don't need 4.
I have 3 anyway. I think that one was a little squishy in my arms, so. But I like the lightweight one better.
Alright, so we've gone through Claire's clothes. She kept a lot more than she should have, but it's good. It's a start. Sometimes you have to go through things multiple times, so come back to it in 6 months and maybe you'll get rid of more, but we all do it. It's all good. Anyway, so we got rid of the metal white thing that goes in most houses when they're first built, and now we are replacing it. Claire has chosen this wooden rod. So I just went ahead and she told me the measurements and I cut it to size. I did just have to trim it down in the garage just a little bit because it was too tight of a fit. So what we're gonna do is she has these. So we're just gonna put one on each wall and then slide it in. And then we're also going to do, sorry, my breath. We're also gonna do these brackets. So this she's gonna do on the wall for extra support to hold because she has so many clothes. Just kidding. But just to hold everything for extra support. This will hold the bar, so I have to make sure I get it even across, obviously, and level. And then we are gonna put a shelf on top for additional storage. So I need to do that because I don't live here and I have to go home soon and I wanna make sure that they can actually put everything back up. So let's go ahead and do that. So you guys just saw I tried to put the board in. It was too long, which is weird because I cut it shorter than the length of the wall. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I cut it down. We're gonna say a prayer that it fits because it's very heavy. If you guys are doing a project like this for your closet, you do not have to buy heavy wood at all. Buy lighter wood. Save yourself and your muscles. Fits. Hallelujah. The tip and trick for that is just making sure when you're putting your board in is to keep it straight, because if you have any kind of unevenness, obviously that's going to just bang and dent your wall. So just if you can keep it as straight as possible and pop it right on top. So we've got our board up and now it is ready almost to be painted, sanded, painted, and then we can bring everything back in. So in the meantime, we're going to keep sorting. only a few hours work, we were able to transform this closet for my sister and her husband from something that wasn't working, wasn't functioning well, and just was really cluttered and messy, and we've transformed it into this beautiful space that now feels like a personal, customized closet, which is exactly what it is. So Claire, I'll be sending you my bill, thank you. But anyways, guys, can you believe this transformation? Again, it didn't take a lot of money, it didn't take a lot of time, it didn't take a lot of effort, but I mean, Claire, it did, so add that to the bill. But you guys, this closet looks so good. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it motivated you to show you that sometimes it doesn't take a lot to transform a space. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you aren't already, we'd love for you to subscribe and be a part of our community. Check out some of our other videos that I mentioned before, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.
Oh, you don't like it? No, I do. Oh, that's perfect. I love this. I love the, that's perfect.
Oh, you just ruined it. Is Auntie Coco going to do a good job?
Good job.
Thank you.